Careful.
Oh, whoa, what is that? Okay.
There you go.
Stick cam.
Goes it the van.
Yeah, we're gonna go live. Sit right here. Woo. Whoa.
Is that like second or third?
Yeah. I'll just chill right here. What's the word on flying around these banners? Is there like weird stuff to hit, or is it pretty chill?
So you just gotta watch out for the wires.
Oh, there's so many of them.
You should be able to see it. If you stay really tight to the banners, you shouldn't hit the wires. They're mostly from the speakers and the middle beams, but it's up to you. They're kind of in random spots.
No, I see them now. I got it on the goggle view, but the lights are also just kind of like mad bright. Oh, but the Hawks banners are actually way easier to get to than the Bulls. Yeah, we're gonna fly past these for sure.
The Bulls ones are a little tight. Yeah, you got a couple wires. And the speaker wires as you come around the front.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go through all these. Well, maybe.
If you stay tight to them, you're okay. Yeah, it's the speaker wires that get you. Was it tight over here?
Yes, sir.
How depth is that?